In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Mailchimp emails. Whether you're looking to create a newsletter, an announcement, or a promotional email, having an attractive and effective design can significantly enhance your message's impact. So, let's dive into the process and make your emails stand out. First things first, let's start by accessing your Mailchimp account. Open your web browser and go to the Mailchimp login page. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your username or email address in the specified field. Immediately following that, you'll type in your password. These are your keys to the kingdom, so to speak. So remember to keep them secure and never share them with anyone. After typing in your credentials, go ahead and click on the Login button. This should take you directly to the Mailchimp dashboard, which is the heart of where all your email marketing magic begins. Now you're ready to start creating. Look for and click on the Create button, usually found in the upper part of the dashboard. This action opens up a world of possibilities, but for today our focus is on designing an email. Thus, proceed by clicking on Design Email. It's important to note here that Mailchimp gives you access to a plethora of features and options to tailor your email, something we'll get more into as we move along. At this juncture, you're presented with various templates to choose from. Mailchimp provides a variety of free templates that cater to different email types and purposes. For our example today, let's click on Free Templates and have a look around. Find one that suits the message you wish to convey or the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've made your decision, click on Apply to select your template. This is where the fun really starts. You're now in the email editor, a playground for your creative abilities. On the left hand side, you'll see different content types you can add to your email. Let's take it step by step. Click on Content to start adding text, images, links and more to your email. This is your main toolbox for building your message. If you want to organize your content or add different sections, click on Layouts. Here you can drag and drop different layout options into your email. Then to customize the look and feel of your email, click on Styles. This is where you can edit the background, fonts and colors to match your brand or personal preference. Now let's get into the specifics. If you want to add or edit text, click on Text. This brings up a text editor where you can type your message, format it and even add links. Speaking of links, to insert one, click on Link and you'll be able to add URLs to your text, making it easy for your subscribers to visit your website or a specific web page. Another engaging element you can add to your emails is buttons. Clicking on Button allows you to add call to action buttons, which are great for promoting offers or encouraging subscribers to take a specific action. And to visually separate different sections of your email, you can add dividers by clicking on Divider. Lastly, before wrapping up your email design, don't forget to optimize it for different devices. Click on Optimize to ensure your email looks great, whether it's being viewed on a desktop, a tablet or a phone. This step is crucial for reaching a wider audience effectively. Once you're satisfied with your email's design and content, it's time to save your work. Click on Save and Exit. This doesn't just save your progress, it's your moment of completion. You've now designed an email that's ready to be sent out into the world, or at least to your list of subscribers. Remember, designing effective emails in Mailchimp isn't just about making them look good, it's about creating a seamless experience for your subscribers, communicating your message clearly, and encouraging engagement. Experiment with different templates, layouts, and content to find what works best for you and your audience. Thank you for following along in this step-by-step guide to designing Mailchimp emails. Empower your email marketing efforts with stunning designs and watch as your engagement rates soar. Don't forget to practice and explore all the fantastic features Mailchimp has to offer. Good luck and happy emailing.